Hi everyone, my name is Annie and I'm from Central Pennsylvania. We purchased our GenStone product back over the summer, and the type of GenStone we used was, the color was Desert Sunrise. We've been in our home for over 25 years, so we felt like this was just a really nice way of upgrading the front of our home. Previously it was vinyl siding, sort of like you see along the garage off to the right there. I pretty much did the project myself. Removed the old vinyl and then put a tie-back wrap around the face of the house and used the GenStone. It's easy to install, highly recommended. Even if you don't have a lot of DIY experience, it is very user-friendly. We're very, very happy with the end result. As well as I must give a shout out to the team at GenStone. Extremely happy with the customer support. I talked with Brian at GenStone multiple times during our project, and he was incredibly supportive, as well as the customer service team. We had a little bit left over and had to return it. But again, very, very supportive and just a great team to work with. So the project turned out great. We're really happy with the end result and really recommend the product. So good luck. Thank you.